Welcome back, dear students. In morning session, we have discussed the morphology of a cockroach, digestive system, respiratory and circulatory system. In that, the digestive system and the difference between the male and the female cockroaches are important. I have sent you the PDF of this chapter. Write it in your assignment notebook. Next is the nervous system of cockroach. Nervous system of cockroach consists of nerve ring and a ganglionated double ventral nerve cord, subesophageal ganglion, circumesophageal connectives and double ventral nerve cord. So this nerve ring is present around the esophagus. இப்போ esophagus இருக்குன்னா esophagus சுத்தி தான் அந்த nerve ring இருக்கு. So from the name itself you can understand subesophageal and then supraesophageal இப்படின்னு நேம் வரும். அதுல இருந்தே கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். So nerve ring is present around the esophagus in the head capsule and is formed of supraesophageal ganglion. And the suprana esophagus மேல. That is called as brain. So brain is mainly a sensory and an endocrine structure and lies above the esophagus. அடுத்தது subesophageal ganglion. Subesophageal ganglion எங்க இருக்கும்? Esophagus-க்கு கீழே. It lies below the esophagus. So this subesophageal ganglion is the motor center. Motorna movement that controls the movement of mouth parts, legs and wings. So subesophageal controls the motor movements. Lies below the esophagus and formed by the fusion of paired ganglia of mandibular, maxillary and labial segments of the head. அடுத்தது a pair of circumesophageal connective. circum அப்போ மேலே இருக்கக்கூடிய சுப்ராவையும் கீழே இருக்கக்கூடிய subesophageal கனெக்ட் பண்ணக்கூடியது circumesophageal connective, which is present around the esophagus, connecting the supraesophageal ganglion with the subesophageal ganglion. The double ventral nerve cord is solid, ganglionated and arises from the subesophageal ganglion. Subesophageal ganglion arise ஆகிறது தான் double ventral nerve cord and it extends up to the 7th abdominal segment. 3 thoracic ganglion are present, one on each thoracic segment, and 6 abdominal ganglion is present in the abdomen. ரொம்ப easy. Nervous system of cockroach consists of nerve ring and that ganglionated double ventral nerve cord. Nerve ring அப்படின்னும் போது esophagus சுத்தி இருக்குது. esophagus-க்கு மேல இருக்கிறது supraesophageal ganglion, அதுதான் brain. ஓகேவா? அடுத்தது ஈசோஃபேகஸ்க்கு கீழே இருக்கிறது subesophageal ganglion. இட் கண்ட்ரோல்ஸ் த மோட்டார் நர்வ்ஸ். அடுத்தது ரெண்டையும் ஜாயின் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்கிறது circumesophageal ganglion. ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஃபவுண்ட் அரவுண்ட் த ஈசோஃபேகஸ். ஸோ subesophageal ganglion வந்து ஒரு டபுள் வென்ட்ரல் நர்வ் கார்டு உருவாகுது. அந்த டபுள் வென்ட்ரல் நர்வ் கார்டு இட் எக்ஸ்டென்ஸ் டு த 7th abdominal segment and it consists of a 3 thoracic ganglion and 6 abdominal ganglion. That's all. In cockroach, the sense organs are antennae, compound eyes, labrum, maxillary palps, labial palps and anal cerci. So cockroach sense organs la enna? So 2 mark la kekkalam. List out the sense organs of cockroach. Antennae, compound eyes, labrum, maxillary palps, labial palps and anal cerci. The receptor of touch na thigmoreceptor is located in the antenna, maxillary palps and anal cerci. The receptor of smell, olfactory receptor, is found on the antenna. The receptor for taste, gustatory receptor, is found on the palps of the maxilla and labium. That means the mouth parts. Thermoreceptors are found in the first 4 dorsal segments on the leg. Thermo அப்படின்னா அந்த டெம்பரேச்சரை செக் பண்ணுறது. லெக்கில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 4 dorsal segments. காற்றுல இருக்கக்கூடிய வைப்ரேஷனில் ஏர்த்லேருந்து வரக்கூடிய வைப்ரேஷனை ரிசீவ் பண்ணக்கூடிய ரிசெப்டார் chordontal receptor, which is found in the anal cerci. The photoreceptor, photo na light, Consists of a pair of compound eyes at the dorsal side of the head. ஹெட்னோட டார்சல் சைடில் ரெண்டு பேர் ஆஃப் காம்பவுண்ட் ஐஸ் இருக்கு. காம்பவுண்ட் ஐஸ்ன்னு ஏன் பேரு அப்படின்னா இட் கன்சிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் 2000 சிம்பிள் ஐஸ் கால்ட் ஒமட்டீடியா. ஒமட்டீடியா இது அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிக்கோ, இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் வேர்ட். Ommatidia, through which the cockroach can receive several images of an object. So through which the cockroach can receive several images of an object. This kind of vision is an mosaic vision and more sensitivity but a less resolution. This kind of vision, compound eye vision, is known as a mosaic vision with more sensitivity but less resolution. Next is the excretory system of cockroach. The Malpighian tubules are the main excretory organs of cockroach, which helps in eliminating the nitrogenous waste from the body in the form of uric acid. Cockroach excretes uric acid, so it is called as uricotelic. So cockroach excretory organ, Malpighian tubules. These Malpighian tubules are thin, long, filamentous, yellow-colored structures attached at the junction of midgut and hindgut that you have seen in the digestive system. These are about 100 to 150 in number and are present in 6 to 9 bundles. Marcelo Marfigi described these tubules and called them as vasa varicose. Meckel later called them as Malpighian tubule as it was discovered by Marcello Malpighi. Each tubule is lined by glandular and ciliated cells and the waste is excreted out through the hindgut. The glandular cells of the Malpighian tubule absorbs water, salts and nitrogenous waste from the hemolymph body fluid and transfer them into the lumen of the tubule, luminous space. The cells of the tubules reabsorb water and certain inorganic salts. By the contraction of this tubule, the nitrogenous waste is pushed out into the ileum, which is the part of hindgut, where more water is reabsorbed. It moves into the rectum and almost solid uric acid is excreted along with the fecal matter. So, Malpighian tubules என்றது ஒரு tubular structures that is present at the junction of midgut and hindgut. So, in the tubule, two types of cells இருக்கு. One is the glandular cell, another one is the ciliated cells. Glandular cells என்ன பண்ணும், absorbs the water, salts and nitrogenous waste, and the ciliated cells reabsorbs the water and certain inorganic salts. அப்புறம் அந்த டியூபிள்ஸ்லேருந்து கான்ட்ராக்ஷன் ஆகி அங்கேருந்து ஈலியம்க்கு போகும். அங்கே மறுபடியும் ரீஅப்சார்ப்ஷன் ஆஃப் வாட்டர் நடக்கும். திருப்பி அங்கேருந்து ரெக்டம்க்கு போகும். ரெக்டம்லேருந்து இட் இஸ் எக்ஸ்கிரீட்டட் அவுட் த்ரூ தி ஏனஸ். Next is the reproductive system of cockroach. Cockroach is dioecious, that is unisexual, sexes are separate. They have well developed reproductive organs. The male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes, vas differentia, an ejaculatory duct, utricular gland, phallic gland, and the external genitalia. A pair of 3-lobed testes lie on the lateral side of the 4th and 6th abdominal segment. So, testis என்றது ஒரு 3-lobed structure. From each testis arises a thin tube called vas deferens, which opens into the ejaculatory duct through the seminal vesicle. So, vas deferens, டெஸ்டிஸ்லேருந்து கனெக்ட் ஆகிறது வாஸ் டிஃபரன்ஸ்லேருந்து செமினல் வெசிக்கல்லேருந்து எஜாக்குலேட்டரி டக்ட். எஜாக்குலேட்டரி டக்ட் ஓப்பன்ஸ் அவுட் பை மேல் கோனோஃபோர். அடுத்தது அங்கே 2 கிளாண்டு பார்த்தோம், யூட்ரிகுலர் கிளாண்ட் அண்ட் த phallic gland. So the utricular gland is also called as the mushroom shaped gland, which opens into the anterior part of the ejaculatory duct. So these help to store the sperms. The duct of phallic, that which is also called as conglobate gland, also opens near the gonophore, whose function is uncertain. Next, the female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries, vagina, genital pouch, collateral glands, spermathecae, and external genitalia. A pair of ovaries lie laterally in the second and sixth abdominal segment. Testis எங்க இருந்துச்சு 4 and 6. Ovaries எங்க இருக்குது 2 and 6. Each ovary is formed of 8 ovarian tubules. Ovary எப்படி இருக்குன்னா 8 ovarian tubules or ovarioles containing a chain of developing ova. The lateral oviducts of each ovary unite to form a common oviduct known as vagina. அப்போ ஓவரியிலிருந்து ஒரு 8 டியூப்ஸு, அது ஓவரியோல்ஸ். இது எல்லாமே ஒன்று சேர்ந்தால் ஒரு காமன் டக்ட் வெஜினா. A pair of spermatheca is present in the sixth segment. During copulation, the ova descends to the genital chamber. During mating time, ova descends to the genital chamber where they are fertilized by the sperm. A pair of white and branched collateral glands present behind the ovaries forms a hard egg case called ootheca around the eggs. Ootheca means a hard egg case. Genital pouch is formed by the 7th, 8th and the 9th abdominal sterna. 3 pairs of plate-like chitinous structures called gonophysis are present around the female genital aperture. These gonophyses guide the ova into the ootheca as oviposters. Ootheca is a dark reddish to blackish brown capsule found about 12 mm long, which contains nearly 16 fertilized eggs and dropped or glued to a suitable surface. Female cockroach produces nearly 15 to 40 ootheca in its lifespan of about 1 or 2 years. The development of cockroach is gradually through nymphal stages. It undergoes different larval stages. The larva of cockroach is the nymph. The nymph resembles the adult and undergoes molting. Molting என்னது தோல் உரிக்கிறது. The nymph grows by molting or egg-dizes about 13 times to reach the adult form. அப்போ ஒரு நிம்ஃப்னா காக்ரோச்சோட குட்டி 13 தடவை தோலை உரிச்சு தான் ஒரு அடல்ட்டாக மாறுது. Many species of cockroaches are wild. They act as a pest. They destroy food and contaminate with their offensive odor. So ஃபுட்டை டெஸ்ட்ராய் பண்ணும். ஃபுட் அது இல்லாமல் ஒரு மாதிரி காக்ரோச் இருந்தாலே ஒரு ஸ்மெல் வரும் இல்லை, offensive odor. The mere presence of cockroaches is a sign of unhygienic condition. ஒரு இடத்துல காக்ரோச் இருக்குதுன்னா கண்டிப்பாக அந்த இடம் சுத்தமாக இல்லை, unhygienic condition. And they are also known to be the carriers of number of bacterial diseases. The cockroach allergen can cause asthma to sensitive people. Allergenna அதனுடைய டஸ்ட். ஓகே, the cockroach allergens can cause asthma to some sensitive people. Oh, there is a one cockroach, viviparous. Normally, these cockroaches are oviparous. Diploptera punctuata. Viviparous cockroach produces nutritionally dense crystalline milk to feed their live-born young one. So, viviparous means they give birth to the young ones. So, Diploptera is a cockroach which can produce a milk to feed their young ones. It is found in Myanmar, China, Hawaii and India. Scientists think cockroach milk could be the superfood for the future.